Namaste, Hamesha Khush Raho Betiya. My name is Manisha Singh. Today I am teaching you plant maintenance, prevention and breakdown maintenance. Now, let's start with the topic. First of all, the determination of plant efficiency at all essential plant points of the process is the first step in creating a maintenance system which is fundamental to achieving optimal performance in any milk plant. Then what are the types of maintenance? Number one is preventive maintenance. It is a daily maintenance that is cleaning, inspection, oiling, retightening, and designed to retain the healthy condition of the equipment and prevent failure through the in prevention of deterioration, periodic inspection, or equipment condition diagnosis to measure deterioration. It is further divided into periodic maintenance and predictive maintenance. Just like human life is extended by preventive medicine, the equipment service life can be prolonged by doing preventive maintenance. Preventive maintenance is further divided into two, that is periodic and predictive maintenance. Periodic maintenance is basically consist of periodically inspecting, servicing, cleaning equipment and replacing parts to prevent sudden failure and process problems. Whereas predictive maintenance is a method in which the service life of important part is predicted based on the inspection or diagnosis in order to use the parts to limit of their service life. Compared to the periodic maintenance, predictive maintenance is condition based maintenance. It manages trend values by measuring and analyzing data about deterioration and employs a surveillance system designed to monitor conditions through an online system. Next is corrective maintenance. It improves equipment and its components so that preventive maintenance can be carried out reliably. Equipment with design weakness must be redesigned to improve the reliability or improving maintainability. Next is breakdown maintenance, and it means that people wait until equipment fails and repair it. Such a thing could be used when the equipment failure does not significantly affect the operation or production or generate any significant loss other than repair cost. Next type of maintenance is maintenance prevention, and it indicates the design of new equipment. Weakness of current machines is sufficiently studied and is incorporated before commissioning new equipment. Next is meaning of preventive maintenance. The precise meaning of the term preventive maintenance depends on the concept of organization of the plant, its capacity and processing and manufacturing program, as well as the availability of and accessibility to specialized services of machinery manufacturers or their agents who are usually equipped with an ample supply of spare parts. It also involves in planning and scheduling, proper installation, periodic inspection, plant lubrication, adjustment of machines and instruments, replacement of worn and damaged parts, recording and reporting observations, adjustments, repairs and replacements, then periodically reviewing records or inspection, lubrication repairs, performance of equipment, keeping an adequate supply of spare parts, determining maintenance costs, cleaning and painting equipment and buildings, inspection and maintenance of all emergency, personal and plant protective equipment, maintaining full serviceability of all utilities, advantages of preventive maintenance, less production interruptions, fewer large-scale repairs, less raw material and product spoilage, increased life expectancy of equipment, less standby equipment needed, and identification of items with high maintenance cost include leading to investigation and correction of causes such as misapplication, operator abuse or obsolescence, better spare parts control, greater work safety, and lower manufacturing cost. The preventive maintenance program, PMP, is the most essential part of the program of the work of the dairy engineers group. It is divided into several parts. The first comprises collecting and recording all basic information on the machines and installations, the equipment records of the plant, and this may be classified as the preparatory part of the PMP. The second comprises identification of inspection objectives, frequency, and location, and is known as inspection schedule. This include lubrication schedules and routine spare parts replacement programs, and may be classified as the plan of operations in which all the recording and reporting systems are defined. The third part of the PMP procedure is the action, which starts with the analysis of the records and is followed by decisions on which on what must be done by whom, when, and by what means. It also includes decision on who inspects and accepts the completion of the action ordered. The last component of the action part of the PMP is the maintenance cost estimate, and the application of PMP depends on the well-equipped workshop facilities and trained staff. The variety of skills needed for performing all the duties specified above implies that training in the dairy engineers group is an essential requisite of the success. Then objective of preventive maintenance. The preventive maintenance is a procedure utilizing the programmed and coordinated lubrication, internal and external inspections, timely adjustment, repairs and replacement by the skilled and trained personnel under qualified supervision for the purpose of preventing unscheduled downtime, preserving equipment, maximizing overall plant performance, minimizing maintenance cost, and thereby contributing to an improved profit position. So, by definition, we can draw the following principal objectives of the preventive maintenance: increase the efficiency and improve the performance of all processing and auxiliary equipment, increase the overall productivity of the entire plant by achieving coordinated and continuous operation of all the plant equipment, increase the certainty of meeting daily production schedule, reduce unscheduled downtime, reduce cost of maintenance and repair, reduce overall processing cost, reduce utility usage, reduce biochemical oxygen demand of sewage, and minimize property and personal hazards, conserve raw materials, and conserve fuel. Hope you all are satisfied with this session. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University Jaipur. If you have any query, please mention it in a comment box. I will resolve them whenever we have a live session. Thank you so much for watching this video.